Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the best exercises to force your arms to grow. These exercises have been proven to be the most powerful and effective when you want to grow bodybuilding arms fast. However, 2-3 days per week will typically be sufficient time if you are committing yourself to a regular arm session. Strength training. The importance of weight training is that it stimulates your muscles to grow. When you strength train, the muscle fibers are damaged. This results in the growth of new muscle fibers that seek to repair and make up for any lost fibers. Therefore, when you lift weights and perform repetitions, you force your muscles to rebuild and regain strength. Your muscles will have a greater ability to do all kinds of tasks. Doing repetitions. By doing certain exercises, you require your muscles to contract repeatedly at short time intervals with weight in order to see growth. This is known as muscle hypertrophy. What weights should you use? The key when doing reps is to use weights that you can lift 12 times or more. This will give you a good workout and the ability to continue doing more repetitions in your set. In order to build strength, power, and endurance, aim for 10-12 repetitions in each set. If you are looking for general arm development, then keep the repetition range between 10-15 times for each set. If you are looking to grow bigger arms with more definition, then use a weight that allows for 6-8 repetitions per set. Arm exercises. The following exercises are the most effective when looking to grow your arms. Remember, the key to building muscular arms is to do a lot of repetitions at low weight. Arm curls. It's a forearm exercise that targets your biceps. You should pick up weights and then curl them for 4 sets of 12-15 repetitions each. Free cast. This is a great upper arm conditioning exercise that works your shoulders, triceps, and chest muscles as well. For this arm exercise, you need a medicine ball. Start by holding the ball with both hands in front of your chest, then raise it above your head with an overhand throw. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps. With all that, we hope you'll have the arms of your dreams, and don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future